Ready to thrive? Welcome to my channel, Neuron Zen. This is the Women Empowerment and Emotional Wellness series, created especially for women who are ready to stop surviving and start thriving. If you're ready to heal, grow, and rise, you're in the right place. Let's do this together. Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, what happened to the confident version of me? You're not alone. Sometimes, after years of being put down, self-doubt, stress, or simply dealing with too much, our confidence starts to fade. But here's the good news. It's still there, just hidden. And today, we're going to gently bring it back, together. I'm a counseling psychologist and emotional wellness coach for women. And in this video, I'll guide you through 3 powerful steps to help you regain your confidence and feel deeply rooted in who you are. Step 1. Reconnect with your wins. Grab a notebook and write down 10 things you've done that required courage, small or big. Confidence doesn't come from perfection, it comes from remembering your strength. Step 2. Rewrite the inner critic script, that voice that says, "I'm not good enough." Start replying to it. Replace it with a new belief. I am learning and I'm proud of my growth. Step 3. Act while scared. Confidence doesn't come before action, it comes through action. Pick one small thing you've been avoiding and do it this week. Confidence isn't about having all the answers. It's about showing up, even when you're unsure. And believe me, that strength already lives within you. Like and subscribe for weekly empowerment videos. Comment below, I choose confidence if this spoke to you. Because when you rise, the world shifts with you.